Cinema has always had a fascination with stories of isolation, redemption, and human fragility. Darren Aronofsky's The Whale, 2022, starring Brendan Fraser, is one such film that dives deep into the complexities of grief, self-destruction, and hope. But does it succeed in its portrayal, or does it fall into the pitfalls of melodrama? Let's explore. At its core, The Whale is an intimate character study of Charlie, an obese, reclusive English professor who teaches online while struggling with profound grief. The film explores themes of guilt, redemption, and the search for authenticity in human connection. Charlie's obsession with honesty, both in literature and in his personal relationships, clashes with his own tendency to shield himself from reality. His self-imposed isolation is a response to a past that haunts him, a past filled with loss and regret that continues to shape his present choices. The story hinges on his estranged relationship with his daughter, Ellie, played by Sadie Sink. Their interactions provide some of the most powerful moments in the film, as both characters are deeply wounded yet desperately seeking validation and understanding. Ellie's anger and resentment mirror Charlie's self-loathing, and their conversations are charged with emotion, often teetering between hostility and longing. These moments add to the film's overall tension, making it not just a character drama, but also a reflection on fractured familial bonds. Aronofsky uses their strained relationship as a microcosm for the film's broader themes of communication, lost time, and the difficulty of rebuilding bridges when years of pain stand between two people. Brendan Fraser's performance has been widely praised, and for good reason. His portrayal of Charlie is raw, compassionate, and deeply human. Fraser brings a sense of vulnerability to the role that prevents Charlie from being a mere spectacle. Instead, he embodies a man whose pain is both physical and emotional, allowing the audience to see beyond his weight to his suffering and humanity. The physical transformation required for the role further enhances his immersion, as each movement and breath conveys the immense burden Charlie carries, both literally and metaphorically. His physicality, every labored breath, every moment of struggle, is a testament to Fraser's commitment to the role. It's no surprise that this performance earned him a standing ovation at film festivals. His return to the big screen in such a demanding role also marks an important moment in his career, signaling a resurgence that has been met with widespread appreciation from both critics and audiences alike. Fraser's personal experiences with hardship and perseverance add an extra layer of authenticity to his portrayal, making Charlie's journey all the more poignant. The emotional depth Fraser brings to Charlie is essential in ensuring that he is seen as a fully realized human being rather than just a cautionary tale. His interactions with other characters reveal a complex man who is deeply intelligent, kind, and remorseful. Darren Aronofsky is no stranger to crafting stories about self-destruction and psychological turmoil. From Requiem for a Dream to Black Swan, his films often explore the darkest aspects of human nature. In The Whale, he confines the audience to a single location, Charlie's apartment, creating an almost theatrical experience. This claustrophobic setting enhances the themes of entrapment and isolation. The lack of external scenery forces viewers to focus entirely on the characters and their emotional arcs, making their struggles feel even more immediate and inescapable. This sense of confinement is heightened by the film's cinematography and aspect ratio, which create a boxed-in feeling that mirrors Charlie's own physical and psychological entrapment. Matthew Libatique's cinematography further reinforces this feeling of suffocation. The use of tight framing and muted lighting adds to the film's melancholic tone, making every moment feel heavy and inescapable. Shadows and dim lighting dominate much of the film, visually reflecting Charlie's psychological state. The aspect ratio also plays a crucial role in enhancing this effect, as the boxed-in framing restricts the space on screen, further mirroring Charlie's physical and emotional confinement. These choices are deliberate, drawing the audience into Charlie's world and making them feel as if they too are trapped within his reality. One of the most striking aspects of The Whale is its screenplay, adapted by Samuel D. Hunter from his own stage play. The dialogue-driven nature of the film retains its theatrical roots, allowing for lengthy, emotionally intense exchanges that expose the vulnerabilities of each character. The film's structure, confined within a few days, heightens the urgency of Charlie's situation, making his interactions with others feel like final attempts at closure. This limited time frame forces the character's int.